My study room has two modules designed to accelerate learning. The first module, Gap Fixer, is your personalized learning platform. Gap Fixer identifies the gaps in the topic studied through multiple unique randomized assessments on the same topic. Tony, your AI buddy, clears doubts and concepts instantaneously by consolidating knowledge from multiple sources. Keep working on same topic till progress bar turns green. Now, let's understand how to use Gap Fixer. The Gap Fixer is your personal playground to practice and identify gaps in your knowledge. On the main screen, you will see a topic tree. Each topic in this tree represents a key concept or area of study. If you click directly on the name of any topic, you'll see an option appear on the right side to start the learning session for that topic. However, if you click on the small arrow beside the topic name, it will expand and show you the subtopics related to that main topic. This allows you to go deeper and choose exactly which part of the topic you want to focus on. If the arrow is not appearing beside any topic, that means there are no subtopics available under that topic. It's a complete topic on its own. Once you've found your desired topic or subtopic, click on it. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the option to start your learning session. At the bottom, click Next to continue. An instruction pop-up will appear to guide you through how to complete the session. Remember, this is not a test. It's a learning system. There's no need to guess. Answer only if you're sure, and if you're not, take help instead of skipping or guessing. After reading the instructions, click Start Session. Inside the session, you'll see your question displayed on the left side of the screen, and on the right side, you'll find the total number of questions included in that session. You can click on any question number on the right to move directly to that specific question. We recommend to start from first question. Start answering the questions you are confident about. Whenever you get stuck or are unsure about any question, click on the Ask Tony button, located at the bottom of the left section. After clicking on that, based on the question, Details Tony will analyze which concept you are missing or not clear about and provide a detailed explanation. Thereafter, Tony will collate the concepts from the best study material from the world and explain you in the simple and concise manner, including an analysis of each option that explains what it means, followed by the correct answer. At the end, Tony will also show you citations, references to the books, articles, and research papers used to build the concept and the answer. Kindly attempt all the questions for Tony to detect your missing concepts based on the questions where you got stuck. This part is important in your learning process also. In some rare cases, you should skip the question. And once you've completed the session, click on the End Session button on the right side of the screen. A pop-up will appear showing two options, End Session and Save and Continue Later. If you select Save and Continue Later, your progress will be saved, and you can return anytime to complete the pending questions. If you select End Session, your session will be submitted, and the platform will instantly show your progress bar in the assessment submitted. You can also see detailed analytics for questions answered correctly and incorrectly. The progress bar that visually represents your performance. If your progress bar is not green, please go back to learning session to start new assessment on same topic to further detect the missing concepts till you reach the benchmark level. Keep repeating the test. Each time, different set of questions on same topic will appear. Keep repeating till progress bar turns green, indicating that benchmark for the specific topic has been achieved. And you can move on to the next step.